Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to a review of Pinball Fx. Is it shite or is it play into the night? Let me just reduce the volume a little bit. Spoiler alert, it is play into the night. It's a lot of fun. This is what we call early access that I have right here. And I have access to 2 tables per day, or sometimes it's just 1 table, but I have access to some tables per day. And then I can play them for some minutes, and then I have to purchase them if I want to play more than the 5 minutes. So let us just start playing. It is pinball. It's awesome. It looks it looks really brilliant. It's incredible, as you can see right here. There are the usual stuff that you would expect. The left shift is the left flipper, and the right shift is the right flipper, and there's a lot of flippers. And the games are quite advanced actually. And you will get sometimes you get some help from that's a voiceover. So when I shoot the ball with enter, then I would actually be advised to try to shoot the TIE fighter in the top. I know that it looks like there's a X-wing up there, but there should also be a TIE fighter that can be shot up there. And then it's just if you like Star Wars, of course, you would also like this. And if you like pinball, then this table is brilliant. This is the original Star Wars. It's a table based on the original Star Wars. There are also tables that are based on the newer Star Wars movies. But yeah, it's awesome, especially if you're a fan of the movies. There's also an Indiana Jones table. The other table is also My Little Pony table. So I just checked the price for the Indiana Jones. It's it was almost like €10 or something like that. I think that's a little bit much, especially if you if you want to buy multiple tables. Then it can then of course it can become a bit expensive. So I hope they will bundle up some of the tables and say that you can get like 5 tables for another price. It's a discount. Look, now we got the figure in the middle. Now it's R2-D2 instead of the other figure that was up before. I could change it. I could change the figure with the flippers. Okay. There's a lot of rules in this game, and they're quite advanced. I have not learned the rules yet, as you probably can see right there. I think the idea is actually to get 3 of the same figures in the middle there. Then something, some bonus play might start. Yeah, we will try to hit the TIE fighter. You can also nudge. You can nudge the machine with the spacebar. You cannot use directional nudge. You can change the camera angle actually also. You press C for camera, then you can change the camera angle. I like the more static camera angle also because that is how you would actually view the pinball table. Usually, if you went to arcade hall with arcade machines, and of course this is how you would usually see. Now it flipped again. Now it's a Stormtrooper in the right figure. Showcase. I like this camera angle right here, but there's also a bit more action. Action-like, where they follow the ball a bit more. Let me just try those. That's a high score. Play again. There was also a pirate game which was also free. You can try that in just a minute. So, but I preferred the Star Wars one. There's some nostalgia to it. So now this is the action camera view. I don't like that view. I prefer actually the top-down view. Sound effects are really cool. Also with this lightsaber. I'm pressing C a lot of times, that's why the camera angle changes. I prefer this one. The trick is to learn how to use the top flippers, because that's where the bones can be activated. So yeah, now I press space to I tried to bump No. Let's just see what happens here. Ah, too slow. Sorry. Again, I press enter to shoot the ball. I used Epic Games to get this game. It was actually a game on Epic Games. And of course, it's as I said before, it's free to play some time every day on some different tables. Of course, if you like the games more than want to play them all the time, then of course you need to purchase them. So, okay, let us... you can also tilt the machine, of course, just by notching it too much. So now it's tilted. Let us try the other game just to try something else. Exit table, yes. Let's try the pirate game. Daily free. Let's play Sky Pirates. Welcome aboard. You're ready to smell some gunpowder. Here there's a cannon that fires the pinball. Where did you learn to aim? Is it shite or is it play into the night? It is definitely play into the night. I have two grades. I have two grades in all of my reviews, and those, of course, either it's good or either it's not good. Shite means it's not good. Play into the night means that it's a good game. This is a good game. I don't know where I learned to aim was. Yeah, I would like to see the Indiana Jones games actually, but there was no review of it or preview, sorry, of it. I had to purchase the game for around €10. And I was too cheap to do that for this review. Yes, but I think that's it. That's yeah, I'm not good at aiming. I don't know how to. I held the enter button, right, and then. I preferred the graphics in the Star Wars games. I think, of course, it still looks nice, but just looked better in the Star Wars game. I think that's it for this review right here. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you will follow me again in another episode of Is It Shite or Is It Play Into the Night? Thank you very much. Bye-bye.